Bessie. What'd you get up for, Bessie? Are you gonna come and see me? But you go, such a good little girl. Yes, she's a little sweetie pie. Yeah. Hi, Pippi. What you doing, old Pippi girl? Are you making some milk, Pippi? You're making milk? Yeah, join the old god making milk. And the little Bessie girl, she's gonna kiss the camera. Hey, sweetie pie. Yeah, she's my girl. Yeah, her's my girl. Yeah, she's a little sweetie pie. Yeah. Yeah. Pippi, you look kind of smoky. Your daughter looks all clean. You've been washing her all up. She's a light brown girl. Yeah. Where's your light brown girl? Scratch you? Scratching. Yeah. They like the scratching. Pippi wants some scratching too. Yeah, Pippi wants some scratching too. Yeah. Don't we have the life, girls? In the shade. Chewing the cud. Beautiful afternoon. Yep, beautiful afternoon. Pippi girl. Yeah. Oh, you come to see me. Yeah, she's a jungle girl. Oh, gotta do some running. You gonna go and visit the piggies? The piggies are kind of lazy. They don't come outside very much. No, they don't. Bye, guys. You coming out, piggies? Come on, piggies. Piggies. Get the piggies. Come on, piggies. Come on, piggies. Ah, piggy. Come on, piggy. They say no way. I'm not coming out. Ah, piggy. I'm not coming out, mate. No, I'm not coming out. Oh, maybe not. Piggies. Can I have some of that good old Pippi milk? Bessie says, I tasted it. It's pretty good stuff. Mama makes the good stuff. Hey, Bessie? Mama makes the good stuff, eh? It's a good stuff. Yeah, it's good stuff. Mommy makes the good stuff. Mama makes the good stuff. Yeah, Mama makes the good stuff, huh? There, the piggies are out. Not too far. There we go.